Hi guys, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Charles Chinosu and I'm glad to have you here today. If you are new to this channel, I talk about ways you can make money online and things you can do to get better results in your internet marketing activities. Have you been wondering the best niche to focus on if you want to make the most money in affiliate marketing in 2024? Well, in today's episode, I'll reveal to you 4 best affiliate marketing niches in Nigeria. And if you stay to the end of this video, I'll reveal to you the exact niche, the exact products I have been promoting the last 12 months that have made me multiple six figures.
Saying people don't know how rich I am. I believe in 2 years from now, everybody will understand.
Before I review the 4 best niches you should focus on in 2024, what exactly is affiliate marketing? What exactly is affiliate marketing? So, affiliate marketing is the process of you promoting other people's products and getting paid commission for it. Okay, let me break it down for you guys. So, there's Mr. A who is a vendor. Then you went to Mr. A to strike a deal that whenever you bring him a customer, you'll be paid an agreed percentage as commission. Then you brought Mr. B to patronize Mr. A and you are paid a commission by Mr. A. That way you've done affiliate marketing. Just that easy. You've done affiliate marketing. Basically, you connecting sellers to buyer and getting paid commission. Affiliate marketing is one of the easiest and fastest ways to make money online. I have gotten a number of students that have made crazy money from this business. At least right now, I got a good number of students that are making at least 100K on a monthly basis. And this is actually one of them. So, I'm not bluffing. This is actually one of my student testimony here. You can see over here, he said he made $100 doing this business. That is why I recommend affiliate marketing if you are looking to get started with any online business. I'm going to drop a link in the description so that you can get started with the business and start earning some extra income for yourself. So now, in the world of affiliate marketing, you could actually choose to promote a physical product or you can choose to promote digital products. So here's the first secret, guys. Selling digital products is way more lucrative than physical products because digital products offers you unique advantages such as higher commissions, ease of promotion, and even the ability to reach a global audience. Despite the fact that digital products pays more, there are still some platforms that pay good commission to those that affiliate physical products. So go to the comment section and drop a comment that I should recommend you best platforms you can join to make good commission selling physical products. By now, you now know that digital products are more lucrative, right? They are more profitable than physical products in Nigeria. So now let's talk about the niches that are more profitable while selling digital products. Like what are those aspects or those categories of products that you have to pick if you want to make huge money from affiliate marketing? That is exactly what I'll be sharing with you guys today because when you actually know all of this, you can pick products from these niches, then you can become more profitable and make more money for yourself. So if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure to smash the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up so that you don't miss any of my videos in subsequent time. Alright, so going over to those niches that will actually help you make a lot of money in affiliate marketing. We have about 4 of them here. Are you guys ready to know these 4 niches that you could actually use to make good money for yourself in affiliate marketing? So the first one in no particular order that will make you a lot of money in 2024 is the health niche. The health niche. So the health niche is a lucrative evergreen niche due to the unending demand and the continuous growth of this industry. I guess you know the meaning of evergreen, right? That means a niche that can never die. Come rain, come sunshine, it will always be in demand. People are constantly looking for ways to be healthier, to be more beautiful, and even to stay fit. So in this particular niche, there are a lot of categories of products you can focus on as an affiliate marketer. So in the health niche, we have categories like the weight loss category, we have the online fitness category, we have nutrition and meal planning, we have health and wellness, and so on and so forth. So when we talk about weight loss category, you are looking to sell products that will help your prospects or help people to lose weight. People are constantly looking for solutions that can help them reduce excess pounds, burn belly fats, achieve their ideal body weight. So basically, you get to recommend weight loss products to people and you get paid commission doing that. Hope you guys are following what I'm saying. So you can also dive into the online fitness category under the health niche also. I told you that there are several subcategories under the health niche. So I said the first one is weight loss category. So you can also dive into the online fitness category. Here you help people to keep fit, basically with their exercise routine and a whole lot of other things that could actually help them keep fit. So as an affiliate marketer, you get to offer workout routines, instructional videos, and personalized trainings that your users can access from anywhere with an internet connection. So we also have the health and wellness category. So there are a lot of digital products in this category, ranging from hair treatments, infections, skincare, and so on. If you check out there are a lot of ladies out there that are very concerned about their skin. They are concerned about how they look, and this even applies to guys too. This actually makes this particular category worth it for affiliate marketers. So if you are looking to promote a product in this category, trust me, you just hit a jackpot, guys. You just hit a jackpot. So, and lastly, we have the nutrition and meal planning category. The nutrition and meal planning category. So in this category, we are looking at healthy eating, those set of food that will help people eat more healthy and will not make them become obese. So as an affiliate marketer, you get to promote apps, you get to promote courses, or even ebooks that offer personalized meal plans, that offer recipe suggestions, and even nutritional guidance. So I believe by now you now know about this niche and you are looking forward to exploring the niche. So this is an evergreen niche, always in demand. People are always looking for how they can solve one health challenges or the other. So let's move on to the second niche, guys. So the second niche we will be discussing in this tutorial is the travel niche. So we'll be talking about the travel niche. This is another lucrative niche that you can do in 2024. This niche revolves around promoting products and services related to travel, tourism, and hospitality. So this niche caters for people that are looking for informations, assistance, resources on how they can plan, how they can book, or even enjoy their travel experiences. So affiliate marketers in this niche could actually promote products that will help people make the best decision and save cost. So let's say you decide to promote a product on relocation. I mean a product that teach people how to travel to Canada. So right now, this is a very, very hot product. I'm giving you guys a secret. This is a very, very hot product. People want to travel out for greener pasture. Some want to travel out to advance their studies and so on. So let's say you decide to promote a product on relocation. So let me show you guys statistics of the huge number of people that Canada is looking forward to welcoming in 2024. So over here, this is my screen. You can see Canada aims to welcome about 485,000 new permanent residents in 2024. That's a whole lot of number, guys. 485,000 new immigrants. The amazing part is this number keeps increasing even in subsequent years. About 500,000 in 2025 and on like that. So what does this tell you? This means that there's a starving market right here. That's to show you that there's a huge market for a product on how to relocate to Canada. This also applies to other countries like Australia, UK, and so on. So in the travel niche, you could actually get to promote products that cater to the needs of travelers that are seeking information to aid their travel experiences. So here are some examples of digital products you could promote under the travel niche. So the first one is you promoting travel guides. A guide could actually offer comprehensive guides to popular travel destinations, including detailed information on attractions, accommodations, dining options, transportations, and even local customs. So we also have language learning courses under the travel niche. You can recommend language learning courses tailored to travelers who want to learn basic phrases or even improve their language skills for their destination. We also have the online travel courses. This one is all about you offering courses on various aspects of travel, such as solo travel safety, budget travel tips, or responsible tourism practices. By promoting these digital products, you can help travelers plan their trips more effectively. You can even enhance their travel experiences and make the most of their travel experience in their travel destination. Are you guys following me? Hope you are getting massive value right now. I guess we are all subscribed to this channel already. If you are not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button right now and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss any of my videos. So the third niche, which is very lucrative, is the relationship and sex niche. So this is another hot niche in the marketplace that is always in demand. There are a lot of people going through one relationship problem or the other. There will always be people looking to solve relationship problems or even seeking ways to strengthen bonds with their partner. There will always be people looking to have better sex life. So this is where this category fall in. Now this is where you help step in and recommend products that meet the needs of these people and you get paid each commission for it. In the relationship niche, digital products in this category typically focus on various aspects of romantic relationship such as communication in relationship, intimacy in relationship, trust building, better sex, daily relationship tips, and so on and so forth. So in this niche, you could actually promote ebooks, you could promote online courses, you could promote audio programs, you could promote webinars and workshops, even membership sites. You could even promote apps that focus on relationship building. By promoting this type of digital products, you can help people strengthen their relationships and improve their overall happiness while earning a lot of commission at the same time. So this is another hot niche that people are really cashing out from. So you can actually lock into this niche and also make good money for yourself. So now the last niche we'll be discussing today is the money making niche. This is another niche that you could actually make a lot of money from in 2024. So now this niche is also called the internet marketing niche or digital marketing niche. This niche focuses on methods and strategies that can help people generate income with little effort through high income skills. Do you understand? Basically, skills that can help people generate income. That's what this niche focus on. In this niche, you can get recommend products to people based on the high income skills they wish to learn. Probably they want to learn affiliate marketing, blogging, social media management. As long as it is a product that talks about how they can make money online through a particular skill. Do you understand what I'm saying, guys? So this is actually the hottest niche here, and the major reason is because people are constantly looking for how to make money. People are constantly looking for how to make money. I'm sure the reason why you are watching this video right now is because you are looking for how to promote the right product, right? You are looking for how to make more sales and even become more profitable in your affiliate marketing business. Am I right, guys? I'm sure that is the reason why you are watching this video. If I'm right, okay, I guess I don't catch you. So in this particular niche, we have different categories of products you can promote to make a lot of sales for yourself. You can choose to sell courses that teaches people how to do freelancing, how to do social media management, how to run Facebook ads, content marketing, affiliate marketing, email marketing, and all of that. Now, all of these categories I just mentioned to you still fall under the money making niche. They fall under internet marketing niche. Can you see why the money making niche is also similar to the internet marketing niche? So, guys, your job as an affiliate marketer is to simply recommend products to people on how they can make money with their smartphones, how they can make money with their laptop using any of these categories of products I just mentioned. Hope you are all following me, guys. Hope you are all following me. So guys, these are the 4 hot niches you can promote in 2024 and make a lot of profits for yourself. So it is important to say that whichever niche you choose, make sure that it aligns with your passion and interest. Whichever niche you choose to focus on or you choose to work with, make sure that it aligns with your passion and interest. This way, you'll be able to navigate effortlessly in the niche. But then, anyone can still start with products in the money-making niche and win effortlessly because you don't need much skills or background knowledge to teach people how to make money. Unlike when you try to recommend a product on health, people want to know, okay, who is this guy trying to recommend this product to me? Do you have any background knowledge in the health industry before they can even buy from you? But when it comes to the money making niche, you don't need any background knowledge, you don't need any skill. That is why you don't really need to be really passionate before you can excel in the money making niche. So once again, it is important to note that whichever niche you choose, make sure that it aligns with your passion and interest. Make sure that it aligns with your passion and interest. So if you made it to this stage, congratulations guys, because I am about to fulfill the promise I made to you. Earlier in this video, I promised to reveal to you the niche and exact product that I've been selling in the past 6 months that have helped me earn multiple 6 figures. So guys, hope you are all ready to know this particular niche, and I hope you will get to explore it also and make money for yourself. All right. So guys, guess the niche. Guess the niche, guys. Guess the niche. What niche do you think it is out of these 4 niches I just mentioned? What niche do you think it is that I've been selling and making crazy sales from in the past 6 months? Well, I have been promoting a product in the money making niche. So if you guess the money making niche, then you are right. I have been promoting a product in the money making niche, particularly a course on affiliate marketing. A course on affiliate marketing. So if you also want to promote this course, just go ahead to Seller. Seller is an affiliate marketing platform in Nigeria and it's also accessible to people across the world. So just go to Seller, go to the marketplace and search for affiliate marketing earning blueprints. So in the last month, my students and I have made a lot of sales promoting this course because of the great reviews that this course has. A lot of testimonies on this course. So it has really been hot selling for myself and my students. So just head on to Seller and search for the affiliate marketing earning blueprints. Okay. So I used to promote a course on how to run Facebook ads, but I stopped when I realized that this is actually more profitable. So you now know my secret hot selling products. Now guys, go forth and make a lot of sales and money for yourself. We come to the end of this class guys. See you in subsequent class.